Once the machine has been set to the required entry angle, which is determined during the survey of the site, the tracking device, or sonde, in the drill head is calibrated and attached to the drill string. The drill sets in and is steered by the operator using the on-screen display at the rig. This is directed to the required line and inclination. Drill rods are added, and once the required line is achieved, the drill head is rotated quickly, which allows the head to follow the profile at speed. Small corrections are made to keep the line. With the flexibility of the drill rods, it is possible to alter the drill path to avoid obstructions and existing services, making directional drilling a safe and ideal choice for trenchless installations under rivers, roads, rail lines, and airport runways. As well as the traditional jetting assembly, a tri-hawk drill head can be used for rock, gravel, and stony ground. Alternatively, in more consistently solid ground, a mud motor fluid driven system may be preferred. To achieve the line and depth, the pitch and roll are calculated and controlled by using either walkover tracking, magnetic guidance also known as wireline, or gyroscopic steering. If ground conditions allow, shallow single gradient drills can also be achieved. During the drilling process, a mud is pumped from the rig through the rods and out through the jets in the drill head, allowing lubrication of the ground and also cooling the sonde. Upon reaching the exit pit, the drill is removed and replaced with a reamer. This is a cutting tool with either a built-in or separate swivel system. Drilling mud is pumped through the reamer. This is mixed to a specified consistency, which allows the passage of cuttings created by the reamer to be carried out to the pits for recycling or removal from site. The drill rods are pulled back towards the rig during reaming, either with the product pipe or not. The speed of this is determined by calculating the amount of spoil which requires removing and displacing to create a void sufficient for the product pipe. Dependent on the ground conditions and the size of the product to be installed, the hole is enlarged as required in stages to allow for smooth passage for the pipe. AMS No Dig have various types of reamers, including barrel and rock reamers, fly cutters, hole openers with either TCI or mill tooth bits, dependent on the rock strengths and types. If the space on the exit side is minimal, forward reaming is possible, allowing the majority of the work to be completed on the rig side, including the fusing and installation of the product pipe. Once the product pipe, which can be internally and externally debeaded, has been pulled along the route, the reamer, swivel, and sealed towing head are removed, leaving the pipe installed with minimal above ground disturbance. AMS No Dig have machinery capable of installing pipe and duct from 32 mm to 800 mm to distances of around 1.5 km under roads, water, railway lines or airport runways. Please call the office on 01724 294 294 or see the website for more details.